Yeah, so you build your training around what do the people actually do in what order. Yeah, we all, if we do admin training, developer training, we all talk like you do accounts and then you create a contact and take an opportunity and you might create a case and then maybe do some tasks. Real life isn't like that. Yeah, so that's why this scenario is important. And around this is also the theory. And what I mean by that is, what does the business want us to do? Like, we know we have tasks, we know we have events, calendars. Is the business using them? What is the expected behavior? Like, if I have a call with a client, what does the business expect me to put in the system and how? Do I need to log this call? And if I do, what goes in my description box? What does the business expect? Do we need every single call, even like hang-ups? Or do we only do the ones where we do a meaningful negotiation? Yeah, things like that. How do we name our opportunity? What is the process of giving us our names and going all through that? And that is sort of the theory bit. So normally in training, what I'm trying to do in those scenarios, say, okay, you come in the morning, you check X, Y, and Z. I give a little bit of a demo, and in the demo, I explain the why the business wants to do it, how they should be do it, and then they do exercise to learn what we just taught them. And rinse and repeat and rinse and repeat.